Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can download any videos of Instagram on your mobile phone. So without any wasting more time, let's get right into it. So once you find the video that you just want to download, just hit the button with three dots on the right side and hit copy link, which is the third option. Once you got the link copied, what you need to do is just look up on Google Ingrammer video downloader. That should take you to a page looking just like this, which will have this search bar here, in which you need to paste the link that you just copied. I already got mine pasted, but I'm going to do it again. As you can see right here, I just hit search. It shouldn't take a lot of time, and your video should pop up on this bottom side, and this, you can see there's a white download button. After hitting the download button, it's asking me if I want to download it. And as you can see right here, the video downloaded onto my mobile phone. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.